So let's write out our strategy for work questions. Somebody can do something in some amount of time, somebody else can do it in a different amount of time. If they work together, it would be faster. How much time would it be? So what we're going to do is, I don't know if I'd really call it a table. I'll write table. Create a table for 1 unit of time. And then you'll be able to create an equation from the table. So what it will look like is your table. We will put time first and we'll choose 1 unit. In this case, our unit is hours. So 1 hour would be 1 unit of time. How much does Marissa get done when she works in 1 hour? So we can write, it'll be a fraction that Marissa how much does she get done in 1 hour? 1/3, because she can do the whole thing in 3 hours. After 1 hour, she would be done 1/3. Next person is Roger. I'll just make this a little bit shorter. I'm going to just call it Roger's fraction. Do we know how long it takes Roger to get it done? No. So we introduce a variable. We don't know how long it takes Roger to get the whole thing done. We'll say that Roger, how long, I'll call the variable t for time, because that's what we want to figure out, how long it would take Roger to get done. So in his fraction will be 1 over t. We'll call this their together fraction. Might not even be a fraction in this case. How much do they get done? The whole thing, right? 1 out of 1. Or we can just write 1. Because they're going to get the whole thing done in 1 hour. So there's our table. We create 1 unit of time. We figure out the fraction of each person and then the fraction together. And it'll always be that this fraction plus this fraction has to equal what they do together, right? Because this plus this is together. So we can write our equation from this, 1 over 3 plus 1 over t equals 1. Which you can make 1 over 1 if you want a fraction. So if we want to use our common denominator strategy, what would the common denominator be? 3t. So this one's missing a t, this one's missing a 3, and this one's missing a 3t and a 3t. Then when you multiply everything by 3t, you will get t plus 3 equals 3t. It's not a quadratic one, it's just a linear equation. Just need to get t by itself, bring the t over. So what does that mean? Is it a garage? Yeah. So Roger can paint the whole garage in 1.5 hours by himself. In fact, he works twice as fast as Marissa.
So what we learned, if we need to get our garage doors painted, call Roger.
Yes.
Except he's a fictional character from a math.
Right. But Roger charges twice as much as Marissa. Uh-oh.
It never says that. He might even charge half as much, because it takes him half as much time.
Maybe they charge the same amount of money. That would just mean that Roger would make twice as much.
Maybe.
Okay, the questions for this one, 5, 6, and 10. And I want you to try of those ones just to see if you're able to get one of these. Well, there's another garage question, number 6. Oh, let's build a deck. I'd like everybody to try number 10. See if you can set up number 10. Right now, try number 10.